If you need brown sugar for your favorite homemade recipe and find your pantry empty, you can make the ingredient for your recipe from the sugar you already have at home. This is possible because all types of sugar are first made by extracting the juice from beet and sugarcane plant, and then many types of sugar can be made from it by slightly altering the sugar refining, crystallizing, and drying process, and by changing the amount of molasses. It's possible to create different types of sugar. Molasses is what gives brown sugar its brown color. So you can make your own brown sugar by mixing white granulated sugar with jaggery. These two ingredients, likely already in your pantry, will have brown sugar ready in no time. All you need to do is add 1 cup of granulated sugar with 2 teaspoons of jaggery. In a mixing bowl, stir in the jaggery with a kitchen spoon or your finger until the sugar and jaggery are completely combined. If the brown sugar is too light, you can add more jaggery while mixing to achieve the desired color. Store the remaining brown sugar in an airtight container. And that's it. Your brown sugar is ready to complete your recipe. If you need more recipe ideas, subscribe my channel.